You're listening to the American Democracy Minute, keeping your government by and for the people. We have another democracy lawsuit to watch, this time in Washington state. The case challenges the Washington Voting Rights Act, the state's response to portions of the Federal Voting Rights Act being struck down by the U.S. Supreme Court. May 11th, the Washington Supreme Court hears oral arguments in Portugal versus Franklin County. The Brennan Center for Justice reports that many Washington counties use an at-large method of electing county commissioners instead of voting districts. In 2020, Latino voters sued Franklin County because its at-large system made it difficult for Hispanic candidates to get elected and represent their community's interests. 1/3 of eligible voters in the county are Hispanic and 54% of the population. The county settled and agreed to create voting districts. A county resident challenged the Washington State Voting Rights Act under the U.S. Constitution's 14th Amendment Equal Protection Clause. He claims the minority population isn't sufficiently concentrated to draw districts as the Federal Voting Rights Act prescribes, and therefore gives unfair treatment to minorities over other county voters. Voting rights groups worry that should the case reach the current anti-voter U.S. Supreme Court, it could further erode protections of minority voters in states like California, Oregon, New York, and Virginia, which adopted similar state voting rights protections. We'll keep you updated. We have links and groups taking action at AmericanDemocracyMinute.org. I'm Brian Beal.